why I'm doing this.
Hey man, what are you doing?
Trying to cook these damn tomatoes, but look.
Yeah, you don't have anything under there?
Well, what, like under this?
Yeah.
What would I need under here? Look. Just lights. Look.
Yeah. No, hold on. I got you.
Let's stay away.
All right, so you're gonna get a regular kitchen towel. Go ahead and just wet it. Make sure it's full of water. All right, so now we'll wring out that excess water. And we have a damp towel. Put it under here.
Is that a washcloth?
Yeah, it's a little towel. Any type of towel.
Oh.
See? There you go. Check it out.
All right, let me see.
Wait. What do you got here?
It's a knife. Mira.
Yeah, this is a little Mickey Mouse knife. It's like, look, what do you? Your knuckles are gonna touch the board? No, man. You need something here. I got you again. Check it out. Get yourself a chef knife. Cheap chef knife, doesn't matter as long as it's sharp.
Okay.
You're good. So there you go. Curve your fingertips. Boom. Easy
Míralo.
money.
Easy as mantequilla and a hot tortilla.
There you go.